Hello everyone, this is Business Person your way today, Easter Sunday, and also happy Easter guys, and happy Ramadan fasting to all my Muslim friends here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this video is a powerful video. As you guys can see on the screen that we are selling Boom 1000 index on a daily time frame. So guys, before I proceed, I just want you to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Smash the like button too, please guys. If you are new to this channel, I just want you to subscribe, please subscribe. So guys, let's dive into the strategy without wasting much of our time. Mind you, from the very beginning of this strategy, there is no setup at all. All right, stop looking at the stochastics below. All right, so that's not the setup. Okay, that one is just there. It's just there on its own. So guys, let me show you exactly how I come up with this amazing strategy, amazing tricks, amazing analysis of how I came up with this downtrend on the Boom 1000 index. I just tapped on the screen, it brought this. Then I'll have to like mark out this point here. Okay, and also I tapped again, then I mark out another, which is this. All right, and we have another one very high. I don't know if probably we need that. Excuse me. Let me just add it and just forget it there. You can see we have three zones here. Now let me use the arrow to show you. So this is the first one, second one, and this is the third one. You can see we have the first one here, we have the second zone here, then we have the third one here. All right, so as I've said, don't forget we are on daily time frame, guys. We are on daily time frame. So we have to look at this chart from different angle, just basically to explain this downtrend here. You can see it has been selling up here, all right, up to this moment, and I got in around this point here. Why do I get in around this point? Now let me explain. Let me shrink the screen a bit so that you can understand me more better. Let me quickly show you something here. You can see we have another point here, which is this. All right, now you can see we have a breakout at this point here. That's why I go for a sell at this point. Okay, and also it broke through this region. All right, then we have another one here. It breaks through this region. Now let me zoom the screen a bit. All right, so it breaks through this region here. Okay, then I have a sell at this point for the new candle that has been going down. Okay, then I also discovered that it break through this particular candlestick, which is this one that I'm pointing to here. All right, so it breaks through it. That's the green candlestick. It breaks through, it's forming this one and it's going down. Definitely I know that it's gonna go down more, which means it's gonna sell. Now let me mark out another here. At this point, you see we are having another excuse me, we are having another zone at this point here. You can see at this point here, you can see it breaks through here. After we have a minor retest here, then this candlestick begin to sell, to break out. It's even break out this resistance here. You can see it breaks through the resistance here. All right, so it gives me another confidence to go for to hold the trade. Okay, so it's gonna retest to this zone here, which is this. Then if we have a breakout here, then it start going back up, then retesting probably to this side, but it doesn't comply to what has happened in the past year. Then we have a massive sell here, so I am watching out for this point here. So this is just as if I'm using Fibonacci. All right, so that's how in most times um I mark out my zone, so I will know how to hold my trade for a very long time. And you can see it has broken through this, which means the sell is going to continue, but we cannot conclude yet. All right, and probably the sell might be coming to the next line that I'm going to draw here, which is probably this point. All right, or this zone here. Okay, it's very, very possible. That's the number one thing that I look out for before I go for a sell. Now let me show you the second one. The second one is this. Now I just need a trend line. All right, you see this trend line. Let me draw. So it's just for you to see exactly. You can see that we have a very strong support at this point here. We have a very strong support here, which means before any bounce back can happen, it can happen at this point. All right, so it can keep selling. That doesn't mean that it won't buy. That doesn't mean that a lot of spike will not happen before it gets to that point. All right, it doesn't mean that it won't happen, but probably it might just come down to this point here. Okay, or let me just do something like this. Come down to this point before it starts going back up. Okay, that's one. And one thing I would just want you to look at for is the only way it can disobey our downtrend, it has even passed. Now let me show you. This is one of the things that traders ignore. All right, it has even broken through the, you can see it has broken through the support. All right, so which is this new line, this zone here. Okay, that's how you look at trade perfectly before you can make a decision on any trade. All right, and at the same time you can look at it from another different angle, which is another possible angle. All right, now let me draw another one. All right, see, so this is this and this here, you can see, and also this, you can see probably it can get to this point and start going back up. All right guys, don't say I'm drawing too much line. I'm just trying to explain how I came up with this, and in a very simple excuse me, so in a very simple way, you can say it has gone up. All right, definitely it will come down to half of this place, then you quit your trade. So it doesn't mean that you'll be waiting for it to get to this point that I've drawn the line the other time for the support. Okay, then from this point, then from here start going back up. All right, so you can also do your analysis like this. So it's very simple guys, and we should not forget one more important thing, which is the indicator that shows me that it's selling on not daily, selling on H4. You can see selling on H4, we're getting at around this point here, and you can see it's a massive trade. See, you ain't dreaming. This is huge. This is over 20,000 US dollars. This is huge guys. Now let me show you that you can notice it's a live signal. let me show you. Let me show you. All right. So you can see this is the VIP. All right. So intentionally, I decided not to impute on the TP and SL because I know it's gonna sell for a while. See, um 16th of April, I dropped. You see, 16th of April. That's the first post I did in the morning by 11:17. That's when I drop it so that they will get um prepared. And you see also you can sell to scalp, please. So just like scalp, for the sake of those people who are operating on small accounts, and you can see after I've gotten the confirmation on H4, then I told them to sell for a long time. All right, even up to now I'm still holding. You see, thank you for staying tuned, and thank you for the likes, for the comment, and for the subscription. So you can stay tuned to get more from this channel.